Hello. I'm not sure how to do what I want to do, but I want to do an Aurora Borealis sky and water. So the sky I'm going to make pretty dark. And so I've got navy blue. I'm going to add a little purple in the sky, a little lavender, actually. And then for the Aurora Borealis, I'm going to do Sea Breeze and Mint Aqua. These are both DecoArt. So let us start with that, and then the sea colors will be blues. My dog is going off. I don't think I'm going to put a base coat here. So let's see how that goes. And now let's do the water. DecoArt Blue Harbor and Ocean Blue. And I'm going to add a dark green in the water. So the water and the sky have been poured. The light glare out of there. And now all I have to do is wait for that to dry, I think for about an hour. So while it's still wet, but not like completely wet, I'm gonna do the swipes of for the Aurora Borealis. Yeah, I like how that came out. All right, so let's let that sit for an hour. Here we go for the lights that I want up here. Again, Sea Breeze, Mint Aqua. I'm going to throw in some Caribbean Blue and actually citron green. I'm actually trying a new technique that I saw on a YouTube video, and I hope it comes out to be the effects that I want for my northern lights. So I'm taking some of this. God, I hope I don't ruin this. Because I love the sky. I might have to report if it does, repour it if it doesn't come out. It sort of did what I wanted, but not 100%. See if I can fix some of this. actually added a little bit of the light mint blue color in the water for contrast and little wave action. So there we have the Northern Lights, and here's my favorite part. All right, and I wish I had that result throughout all of it, but I didn't seem to be able to get that result through all of it. I'm in love with the water, and I'm quite happy with this piece. I do hope you enjoyed watching, and will subscribe to watch some more.